How's it going, everyone? This is Chris here from JLHKrafts Racing, and today we're going to go over a shipment sent to us by our sponsor, JLHKrafts Racing. So quickly before we go over all the items that he sent, I wanted to take a quick look at the letter he sent, and I thought it was really neat that he addressed it to Jason. And this of course came with the package, and it says thank you so much for your order, and there's a few notes I wanted to add, and in there he goes over all the items he sent, and we're about to go over them right now. For the first item, you see right in front of you is the Baja Track, and I thought that was really cool what he sent. This is supposed to emulate a dirt track. It's really wide. You can fit your Baja Hot Wheels on here. You can fit Hot Wheels monster trucks, and I brought one up here to demonstrate just the size of this. You see it fits it really well. It also comes in two pieces where you can see it comes with a ramp, and these do come apart. You can see it has little clips here that fit right into the track. That was pretty well done. And they do come with connectors that connect onto the track and can connect onto your orange track or your fat track. So I thought that was really well done, thought out. And you will be seeing this soon on one of our JLHKrafts Racing tournaments. And you can see a couple of nice touches he added on it. You can see the tire tracks, but that was a pretty cool touch. And it looks just like dirt, so he did a really good job on this. So this is just the first item I wanted to go over. This is again called the Baja Track, and it does come with a ramp. So let's move on to the next item now. And the quick little item he sent was a pretty cool billboard. I asked him to put his logo in this because since he is our sponsor, I want to feature this on our track to fulfill our part of the deal. So again, this is a really cool feature. You can see it's pretty big, and you can customize it and put any kind of logo or sign you want in it. Next up, we have the winter podium, and if you saw our last tournament, you saw this was put in use already. And this is my favorite piece that he sent. This comes with 3 trophies. You can see it's got the gold, silver, and bronze. The figure is not included. I just added that in there to show you the scale and what you can use it for. So you can put all your drivers on different podiums according to what position they finished in. And another neat feature which he added is this comes in 2 parts, so you can take this off. If you want, you can just use the podium by itself, or you can just use this as a backdrop as well for anything else you want. And you can also put the winning Hot Wheels car, that one, right here on this podium because it's come off. And again, I featured that on our last video, so the car will fit on here, and I'll show you real quick. So here you can see Shy Guy won a tournament, and you can see the vehicle does fit on the podium really well. And I'm gonna show you what the podium looks like. So take this little figure off, put that little guy over there, and really good quality. And I like that he put his logo on there. That's pretty cool. He customized ours with the JLHKrafts Speedway logo and a couple of sponsors on top. Looks really neat. And again, just to put it on, you just put it on that way on top, and it will stay. And again, you could feature this any way you want, with the backdrop or without. And again, this was really cool. And here are some more mini accessories that he gave us. And first one up is, of course, the little cone. These are always cool to have. You can never have enough of these. Hollow inside. Pretty sturdy, pretty strong, and they definitely look awesome. He also sent us 3 barriers. You can see one is the large one, and you got 2 normal size. Again, these are really good. Pretty good strength to them, good quality. And he also sent us 3 barrels, like the 3 oil drums. And these, of course, are hollow. So if you want to put anything you want in there sticking out, if you want to do it that way, you can just do it this way. Whatever you want to do. So I thought that was really cool. And next, we will go over some theming accessories that he sent just for our track. So if you've been watching our channel for a while, you know that we were planning on doing a tiki theme for part of our track. And he sent us a lot of cool tiki torches. And I already took one out to show you. And the detail on these are phenomenal for these sides. You can see all the miniature little grass blades he added in. You see the actual torch, and that looks awesome. So you can see the quality work he does. It looks really cool. And again, I only asked him for just a couple of these, and he sent us about 40. So again, that was a really nice touch, and it was really nice of him to do that. And as you can see already in the camera is that we have some Tiki Heads, and these are awesome in detail. He actually went as far as painting these for me as well, and these look really, really well done. And pretty light, but they're sturdy at the same time. You can see the base, and I cannot wait to set these up along the track, so that should be a lot of fun. And speaking of theming, he created 2 Tiki Huts for us for our little stores that are going to be outside by the vendor area for our track. And this one is just really cool. You can see it says Jason's Burger Hut. That was a cool touch. And you can see he even added in a little menu. And what you can't see is all the way in that little menu, he put a really cool gesture for Jason, and I'll insert that right here. And I thought that was a really, really classy touch. So thank you, other Jason, who sent it to this Jason. So that was really, really nice of you, and I thought that was awesome. And you can see the hut, he actually attached a Tiki torch to it. So that comes built in with it. You can see underneath, so you can put little figures in there, you can put whatever you want in there. You can get little 1/64 scale, some registers, whatever you want, you can put in there. I thought that was really cool. And this, of course, says Jason's Burger Hut, as I said. And the next one he put was shaved ice. And again, this one comes with the menu. And the detail on these is really cool. I really like the roof. You have the grass roof on it. I thought that was awesome. So once again, thank you, other Jason, for this shaved ice hut. These look phenomenal. Really cool detail on these. So that should wrap up this quick review of these items that were sent by our sponsor, JLHKrafts Racing. And before we go, I'm going to throw in some other products that he makes, and I think you guys are really going to like them. And I know we got quite a few more coming next month, and they're going to make a great addition to our track, and they're going to add some more excitement to our tournaments that we got in the works. So take a look at these, and we will see you guys here soon at Untitled Chapter Racing. Take care, all.